Hi guys, today I will make a salad. The ingredient we use are 100 grams of onions, 2 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of grape juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, apple longan, and another cocoa. First we mix mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 3 tablespoons of grape juice after the stir evenly. Second, put all the foods into the mayonnaise thickness mixture. Finally, add this on top of the salad, and the salad is ready.